My expectations with the Accelerator launch is to establish a cohort and a community of innovators to share lessons learned and good practices. Also look at where appropriate, shared strategies for building more resources to expand the work that we're collectively doing in improving the delivery of housing to Indigenous peoples in Canada.
We are with Thunder Women Healing Launch Society, and the goal is to provide a very safe and supportive, culturally sensitive environment for women who have come into conflict with the law for reasons that are out of their control due to historical traumas.
Did you see our project? Yeah, there's so many innovative projects here, and when I looked at the list of participants, it just really kind of clicked with our vision because how we could work together. So my expectation is to really network and find other resources and people that we can work with to really bring about this vision.
Pretty much like immediately, I made a really awesome connection with an organization based in Toronto. The project that I'm working on in Toronto involves like a healing and environmental responsibility and connected to women. And this, the folks that I met here, Patti and Pam from Toronto, are exactly doing that kind of work already. So there's some really good dots connecting like on day one.
All of the projects that are being promoted here, every First Nation, I think we have a tie to almost every one of them. Like we know the struggles that we're all facing. So what we're seeing here and to talk to the other participants in the programs, like what they have, I could look at them and say, maybe that will work with our program and to try and implement it or talk to them. We could email each other now. We're gonna have the platform set up so we could use it to collaborate our good ideas. Like if something is not exactly working for us, maybe I could take from somebody else their ideas and I hope that they could do the same for us.
I've learned a lot of things here. We've gotten to see different types of passive homes, different types of heating, electrical. So now I'm going to walk into this with a clearer understanding at our next phase of design.
It's been a good, memorable experience that I've met a lot of people that have the same concepts as I thought were just ideas, that were far-fetched ideas. And here they're reality amongst First Nation communities throughout Canada and Northwest Territories. And we've since partnered up with a couple, four communities to pursue our common goal.
Would you just put your hand up if you felt listened to?
We've had these almost like speed dating sessions of creating dialogue and conversation and sharing. I have found a partner in our broader partnerships across the 24 projects that we will strongly benefit from each other, so that is good.
I find that coming to this conference and coming to understand exactly what this conference is all about and its potential in helping projects such as ours and connecting with other people and just building, and it's a first for me, and I find it very exciting and very powerful as what's being achieved here.
We came across 2 other projects very similar to ours that are related to corrections, and so it was really key for us to talk about how they're maneuvering through their process, and we had some shared experiences, and so it was nice to walk beside them through this week to share our stories and learn and grow from each other.
And I think the architectural designs that I saw were really amazing, and that some of them, I think when we get back home, I'm going to meet with the architect and tell her there's going to be some changes.